Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.2 question number 3. The numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have the same digits 1 and 3. Find such pairs of prime numbers up to 100. Here we have taken 13. We have taken 13 and 31. Both are prime numbers 13 and 31. Here you see both are prime numbers and with the number digit as 1 and 3. The next number if you take, that is 17, it is an prime number, and if we take 71, it is also a prime number, right? Here we have taken 1 and 7 as the same two digit, 1 and 7, right? If we take another example, that is 37, it is a prime number, and 73, it is also a prime number, and we have used the digit 3 and 7. Again, if we take 79, 79 and 97, here we have taken two digits, that is 7 and 9, right? After that we will not get any other prime numbers because you have to take such pairs of prime numbers up to 100. Therefore, the such pairs of prime numbers are 17, 71, 37, 73, 79 and 97, right? Right, same as that. Therefore, the numbers 13, 31 are prime numbers. We already told you that 13 and 31 are prime numbers. After that, we can take these prime numbers, and the numbers have the same digits as 1 and 3. And the next number is 17, 17 and 71, and the digits are taken as 1 and 7. Here 37 and 73, the digits we have taken is 3 and 7, right? And here the other numbers is 79 and 97. These are all prime numbers and have the same digits 7 and 9. Here you see 7 and 9 we have taken, right? That means three pairs of numbers are 17, 71, one pair, another pair is 37, 37, 73, and another pair is 79, 79 and 97. These are such pairs of prime numbers, such pairs of prime numbers, pairs of prime numbers of prime numbers, numbers up to 100, up to 100. This is the solution of question number 3.